contest. Tapos ako yung umatras kasi yung papa ko minsan nagdi-discourage sa akin. Nagpigil akong ilabas yung talent ko.
Sa competition na to, sino o ano po ang inspirasyon niyo?
Ayun. Papa ko. Yung sa akin lang, makakanta lang ako, may palabas ko yung talent ko, yun. Yun lang talaga ang pinaka ambisyon ko sa buhay. Yung makatungtong na isang stage, yung maraming tao na malaman nila na may talent ako, yun. Eto nga pala anak mo, kung sakasakaling mapasok ako, dapat mong mapakinggan to. Kailangan palang ilabas, di kailangan itago.
Ano bang talent mo?
Singing.
Go, Josephine.
Thank you. Have you ever reached your rainbow's end? Did you find your pot of gold? Ever catch the shooting star? And tell me how high did you soar? Ever felt like you were dreaming just to find that you're away? And the magic that surrounds you could lift you up and guide you on your way. I can see it in the sun across the sky. Dreams 100,000 dreams before. Now I'm finally realized it's been a way of my life. For this moment to arise. And finally, I believe in the impossible. If I receive within my heart, overcome any obstacle. Won't let the seasons fall apart. You see, I'm proud to be the very best. Shine my light for all to see. Did anything impossible? When you believe. Now I finally realize. You see, I'm ready all my life for this moment to arise. And finally, I believe. Thank you.
You have proven to your father that you could really sing.
Para sa kanya to eh. Be proud of me naman pa. Na-disappoint ko man sila noon sa pangarap nilang maging singer ako. Gusto ko talagang i-win yung heart ng magulang ko. Anak ko pala noon. Kasabay ko yan sa pag-audition ko. Hindi ko nakala ako mapasok kasi siya yung in-audition ko eh. Tapos, pinilit niya lang ako.
Ako ang boses niya pang-international.
Thank you.
Huwag na natin patagalin ang boto ko. Yes! Ako, so much yes.
Yes na yes.
Thank you po.
See you sa next round, Josephine. Congratulations!
Finally, Josephine believes.
Now I finally realize.
Ang linis ko kumanta.
Tapos ngayon ko lang siya nakita na talagang nagano sa akin. Unang pagkakataon ko nakita ang papa ko nagsusundan sa akin.
And she makes us believe that the Philippines has got talent.
Well, we will leave you wanting to see more. Ito ang mga susunod na batch na performers bukas.
Dito lang sa pinaka-pinag-uusapan talent reality show sa bansa, ang
Pilipinas Got Talent.
Got Talent would like to thank the following: Cebu Pacific Air, official carrier of Pilipinas Got Talent.
Price Plaza Cagayan de Oro.
Days Hotel Batangas. University of Baguio.
SM Homeworld.
Baguio Country Club are official residents in Baguio City. University of Batangas. Castle Peak Hotel, Cebu City. Alpha City Suite, Cebu. Active White. RRJ,